My friend, whenever you want to build yourself, that in your way, a lot of difficulty, a lot of obstacles, a lot of setbacks will come, like family drama, friends problem. There are a lot of problems, my friend. But you know that the most important thing is your emotional intelligence. How you have the skills of emotional intelligence or not. Whenever you have not emotional intelligence skills, then you will always drag yourself. Okay, how, my friend? I am giving you example, like every time you are responsive, you are going to be responsive, you are going to be in action whenever anybody tells about negative with about you, whenever anybody ignores you, whenever anybody tell you any wrong word, that time you become responsive, that time you want to take revenge from him, but not the right way. That's not right way. Sometimes we should keep away from toxic people, and we should I am only talking should must but not, it's your responsibility that you should make emotional intelligence. In that time you should create it. That emotional intelligence is the most important skills, I think, because if you can create emotional intelligence right now, then your family problem will improve, your friend problem will improve, you are fighting, you are doing a lot of arguing with your girlfriend, this can also become improved. Only one skill, that is emotional intelligence. I am not telling you to control your emotion, I am not telling you that thing, but I am telling you that give the right direction of your emotion. Because why? Because if you will not keep the right direction of your emotion, that emotion will eat you in one way. Okay, so I am giving you a very good example. Like you have energy, okay, and you can waste the energy in chrome, or you can invest the energy in running calisthenics as exercise. Replacement is the best form. You can't destroy energy, you can't build energy, but you can redirect your energy. How can you do it? Like whenever in family there is going to be fight, then keep away, making distance, and that energy you should invest in yourself. Like in my family now, example, there is going to be drama, but I will cut myself from drama and I am creating my content. It's I am developing my future. I am speaking English here, so I am making myself that kind of image, I am making myself identity, that I am creating that. Okay, so whenever you will feel empty time, there is no empty time. So every time your mind should be growth mindset and learn from yourself. And I will tell only one thing, that my friend, that stay away from blaze, don't live in blaze. I think blaze is the worst, because in the blaze, no, I am not talking about that all the blazes in India is devastated. Not, it's not problem. The problem is that whenever you go place and you destroy your system, you make that kind of environment where you have no growth, there is no mind matching person. So that's the problem. And yes, I suffer a lot from the problem. So it does not matter in which condition you are living, but live. Okay, and build yourself. What you know, matlab, I think why I came Devghar. So it's my purpose that I come here to building myself, not creating any type of drama. So here, that there is only one purpose, that is I will build myself, then I will go blaze, I will never go blaze. That's my goal, that I will never go home, I will build myself, or I will die. There is only one option, there is building yourself. And whenever you have only one option, then consistency, discipline, patience will come in your place. So whenever you have only one, whenever you have only one direction, then there is no distraction, there is no anything. So first of all, if you have two boat, then burn one boat. Okay, never keep your food in two boat, because If you keep it, then you can't do anything. If you want to do, then you will have to choose one, because when you want to do anything, then you will have to sacrifice something. But flex sacrificing is not anything. I don't like it. I don't like option 2. I like option 1. And one day I am telling my friend that I will buy here land, I will make the best house here, I will be the best reputed respected man in the entire Devghar. I am telling it officially in that kind of content, that one day that they will come. I don't know how, but my subconscious mind will respond that I will buy, and I will become greater than my uncle. I will famous than my uncle. I will most educated than my uncle. I will be the best human being in the universe. I am telling in the video, and you can watch. And if my future self, if you are watching this video, my future self, if you are watching this video in 2030, after 5 years, then you should be respect yourself, that you build yourself. You did not waste any day. Every fucking single day you wake up with purpose, and every single fucking day you sleep with satisfaction. Okay. And I am creating that kind of thing here.